Hello everyone, welcome back. So in this video we are going to practice some questions on circular motion. So in the last class we have a brief discussion about circular motion, but there was a mistake in that previous video that instead of Huygens, I have said Huygens. So that is a wrong pronunciation for the name. The formula for centripetal force was given by Huygens. Okay, so Huygens was the name, not Huygens. Okay, so today in this video we are going to practice some questions on circular motion because, and this is the, as written here, last class of motion. Okay, so the very last class of motion. Over 13 days we come across 13 lectures, and 50 plus questions, and today also there are a lot of more questions in the description, but they are not numerical. They all are theoretical questions which you should practice on. Okay, so let us start this session with a very simple question. A boy is moving around a circular path of radius 10 centimeter. Okay, of radius, let us say 10 meter. Okay, so body is moving around a circular path of radius 10 meter. Calculate if it takes 3 seconds to reach the maximum velocity. Find the velocity. Find the maximum velocity. So this is a very simple question. The language yet looks complicated, but this is a very easy question. So the question itself says that a body is moving around a circular path of radius 10 meter. If it takes 3 seconds to reach the maximum velocity, find the maximum velocity. So I told you that around a circle the motion is accelerated, and what is, now you will think that we need maximum velocity. For velocity we should, we need maximum, not velocity I am saying. You can write velocity also, but here I don't want direction, I want speed. Okay, maximum speed. So for this, for speed we need distance and time. So distance in circular path is equal to its circumference, that is 2 pi r, and this is a basic math. If you don't know, you should know that this is 2 pi r. The distance around a circular path is given by the formula 2 pi r. Okay, now let us say that v is the speed. So v is equal to d by t. Distance is equal to 2 pi r upon t. So 2 into 22 upon 7 into r is 10 upon t is 3. Okay, this 3 will go to here because 22 upon 7 is divided by 3. So this is 44 upon 7 into 3 into 10. So this becomes 44 upon 4400 upon 21. This will become 21 to the 42 to carry, and this will be 21 9s are. So 220 point something will come, will be the answer. So you will calculate up to 2 decimal places. In any question, just calculate it up to 2 decimal places, not more than that. Otherwise you will feel confused. Okay, 2 decimal place तक इसको calculate करना 20 के बाद. Okay, now next question. So this was the basic question I started with. Now I am starting a question, and concentrate very carefully. An athlete that become wrong. So an athlete around circular path completes one round, a circular path of diameter, so a diameter of 200, a diameter 200 meter, an athlete around a circular path of diameter, so this is diameter 200 meter, an athlete around a circular path of diameter 200 meter covers one round in 2 minutes and let us say 2 minutes and 20 seconds. That will be easy. In 40 seconds. Okay. Around in 40 seconds. Okay. What is the magnitude of distance s and displacement at the end of 2 minutes 20 seconds? So this is the question. Now let us draw the diagram and let us visualize it. So this, I have to draw a circle here and I have drawn a circle here. Now that says that its diameter is 200 meters. So this, you know that diameter is what? Radius upon 2. So half the radius is equal to diameter. So the radius of this circular path is 100 meters, right? 200 upon 2, so this will give us 100, and it covers 40 seconds, it covers one complete path. Now in 2 minutes 20 seconds, how many rounds it will complete? So let us convert 2 minute 20 seconds is equal to 2 into 2 minutes is equal to 2 into 60 seconds plus 20, that will be equal to 140 seconds. So 40 seconds in one round. Now how many rounds it will cover in 140 seconds? Very simple. 140 upon 40. This will give us 4 3s are 12. 3.5, 4 5s are 20. So there will be 3.5 rounds. So you have been asked that what is the magnitude of distance. Now this is a circular path and in one round it covers this much distance. तो अगर एक राउंड में उसका डिस्टेंस कितना होगा 2 pi r. One round its distance is equal to 2 pi r. Okay. In 3.5 rounds this will be equal to 2 pi r into 3.5. Very easy. Let us take 2 into 22 upon 7 into r is 100. So this is 100 into 35 upon 10. 35, I just remove the decimal, cancel it, and so this will give you around 4400 upon 7 into 5. Wait. 2 pi r, 2 into 22 upon 7 into r. Oh, let me rub this out. I am solving it here. Okay, I don't want to be calculation to be wrong. Okay, so 2 into 22 upon 7 into r is where 100 meter into 3.5 is 35 upon 10. Okay, so this is equal to, cancel this one, and this is 44 into 35 upon 7. 44 into 35 is, so this will be 220 and this will be 132. So this will be 1540. So this will be 1540 and divided by 7. So this will give us 220. This will give us, oh, there is listen, there is 10 here, so I'll apply here into 10. So this is 2200 meter, that is 2200 meter. Yes sir, distance है. Now magnitude of displacement. What is the displacement? Now tell me, if it covers 2 minutes 20 seconds, so this is 3.5 round. Now one round, second round, third round, and this is 3.5 rounds. So this will be here. Now displacement is defined as the shortest shortest path between final and initial point. So this is the initial point, this is the final point. Join them, you will get, so that will be equal to the diameter 200 meters. So displacement will be equal to 200 meters. Very easy question. Now a question I am going to give you, which is just based on calculation. Just based on calculation. The concept is too easy. All things are based on calculation on that. Okay. So the duration of the video is already around 10 minutes. It has already took 10 minutes. So I'm going to give you the question. An artificial satellite moves around a radius of around a circular path, around an orbit of radius. What is the radius? Radius is this is your NCERT question. So that is 42250 kilometer. What is its speed in 24 hours? Now it's an artificial satellite. Oh, it's very easy. You will say very easy. Yes, very easy. So 2 pi r, so V is equal to 2 pi r upon time. 2 into 3.14. I am just taking 3.14 because I personally think that 3.14 is actually becomes easy for me. So 2 into 3.14 into 42250 upon time is 24. Solve it out. This let us calculate the numerator first. So 3140 upon 100 into 42250. Sorry, that is 42250. So this is cancelled by 50 times. This gets cancelled by 5 tens are 50 and 5 eights are 40, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 45. So 8450. So this will be 314 into 8450, and this is divided by 10. Now what will be the answer? So this answer will be 314845 into 314. 5 fours are 20, 4 fours are 16 to 18, 8 fours are 32, 845 upon 5 3 15, 4 3 are 12, 1 13, 8 3 2 4. So this is 2 4 2 5 1, 4 3 7 5 12. So this is 2 7 8. So this is 252 278 and 00 divided by 10. So this will be your answer, 252278. That unit will be kilometer per hour. But कायदे से kilometer per hour should not be the unit of this, because a geostationary satellite, geostationary, or you say an artificial satellite, travels at very high speed. That means to say it covers more distance in less time. In few nanoseconds, it covers according to a data I am saying you that in a few nanoseconds it covers a distance of around 500 meters. So the unit of hour should change. Okay. So here what we will do, we will convert 24 hours into the minute, into the seconds, and then we will calculate. And if then we will calculate, we will find that the answer is coming out to be, that is 24 into 3600. So 3600 into 24. So this will be around. So this will be 86400. 864. Now 2 into 3.14 divided by 8640 will give us now 3140 divided by 86400. Cancel it. You will get 3140 into 845. We have already calculated. This is 3 and 3.14, and this will 3.0 kilometer per second. This is your answer in your NCERT book, and that is correctly mentioned. That is not wrong. That is correct. If you take 3.14, pi की value देख लेना. If pi is 22 upon 7, pi is equal to 3.07979997908. This will be the repeating one. Okay, very easy question. Just need of calculation, nothing else. Okay. Now I'm going to give you a tricky question now, and that tricky question is, so already discussed 3 questions. Now this is the 4th question. So in the 4th question I am going to give you a boy of mass 20 kg. Okay, a boy of mass 20 kg is moving around a circular field of perimeter 220 meter. Okay, with a speed of 10 meter per second. Calculate the magnitude of force acting on the boy. Okay. So question is, a body of mass is given, m is equal to 20 kg, around a circular field of perimeter. Now this perimeter is what? This is the circumference. So the circumference 2 pi r is given to you as 220 meters, and speed is given to you 10 meter per second. Now it is asked in the question that calculate the magnitude of force acting on the boy. Now what will be the force acting on the boy? Let me tell you one thing, that whenever a body is under circular motion, I told you in the last class that Huygens give the expression of centrifugal and centripetal force acting on a body. So a centripetal force act on a body when it is in a uniform circular motion, or say in a circular motion. So in this we'll calculate the radius. हमें radius चाहिए. Okay, so we'll begin with radius. So 2 pi r is equal to 220 meter. R is equal to 220 upon 2 pi. Okay, or let us solve this. We'll get R is 2 upon 2 into 22 upon 7. So this will give us 110 upon 22 into 7. So 110 divided by 22 upon 7. So this will give us 7700 upon 22. So this will be the radius. Okay, and if you just divide it, you will get 11 to the 22, 11 7 the, so 70 by 2, and you will get 35 meter. So radius will be 35 meter. And the formula for centripetal force is mv square by r. Mass is given to you 20 kg into v square. V square is 100. 10 square is 100 divided by 35. So this is 5 7 are 35, 20 times, and this will be 400 upon 7 Newton. This will be the answer. So this is the method to think about question. That's all about concepts. Okay. Now, the next question. Already we have discussed 4 questions, and we are going to discuss another question. Now it will be all figure based questions. Now this looks like an oval. Yes, again it's not looking like a circle, it's looking like an oval. So for making it circle, we should have an accurate. Okay, let us assume that this is a circle. It's not a circle, but let us assume that it's a circle. Now this is its center O, and from here a body goes from this point X and covers a half the circumference and goes to Y. this will be y. Now I have to find the ratio of distance to displacement. How will we find? How will we find? So distance is 2 pi r in a circular path, but it is said in the question that it covers half the circumference. So this is 1 by 2 into 2 pi r will be the distance. Okay, so 2 and 2 get cancelled. So pi r is, so distance is equal to pi r. Now displacement, what will be the displacement? The shortest distance between initial and final point. Okay, so this is x. Let us say this is r, and this is, let us say this is also r, because this is r, this is r. So r plus r will become 2r. Now let us calculate s upon vector s. So pi r upon 2r. So 2r is what? 2r. So pi r is to 2r. R and r get cancelled and we'll get pi upon 2. This is the ratio. So in this way you can solve this kind of questions, and not more than this type of questions are asked. Already covered 5 questions, and if you prepare these 5 questions by yourself, no more circular motion in class 9, you're gonna touch it. So the last question is, should I practice the last question? See what they will do in the question now. Now they will give you the distance, they will ask you the time, okay, and in case they will give you the velocity, they will ask you the distance, they will ask you the time. So this will be the just the methods to solve this question. Now we are ending up here in this class, okay, and so in today's class chapter done. Now let me tell you the plans for this week. Now in the week we will have 2 classes of physics, and in those classes we will discuss questions. On Sunday there will be the general talks topic, and in this and I'll be taking on Monday and not Tuesday, not Monday. Monday and Wednesday will be physics. Physics is completed now. In the next class I am going to start the chemistry. Matter in our surrounding will be the first chapter. Okay, so actually we will have to cover the matter in our surrounding, very first chapter of your NCERT. Not taught by I will not teach you bio, only physics and chemistry, or I can teach you math. So math is being taught there. Math will be also in 3 days, and science only 2 days, covering this topic. Okay, so matter in our surrounding in the next class. Okay, and we have covered almost entire chapter with almost 50 questions. Okay, so from next time we'll be having just 2 classes on Monday and Wednesday. Okay, and there's a link in the description from where you can practice the theoretical questions. Okay, till then, goodbye.